First time buyers, listen up. What does a bank statement review look like? So when it comes to applying for a mortgage and they ask for the 3 months bank statements, what are lenders doing? What do the mortgage advisor look at? And then what does the lender look at? The first thing is income. So if you are employed, they will look at your pay slip. What is the net amount on that? Can they see it on the bank statement? The second thing is, are you self-employed? When you put in your SA 302s, your tax returns, that is obviously for the whole year. They'll divide that by 12. Can they see that money coming through? If you have business bank statements, if you're paying yourself in your personal account, can they see that income coming through? The next thing they'll be looking at is the other side of the coin, the expenses. Now, when I'm talking about expenses, you'll obviously on the mortgage put what loans you've got, what credit cards you've got, all of that. They will be looking for the direct debits that match that. So if you have a loan and it says that you pay £439 a month, maybe it's a car loan, something like that, they'll be making sure that that is on your bank statement. If you have a credit card and the balance is say £1,000 and you say you pay, £200 a month, they'll be looking for that. So that's also something. The next thing to be aware of, it's what you don't say. What you don't put down as your committed expenses that they will also be looking for. So for example, if you have standing orders and you're paying particular people, I know a lot of people have, like I have it set up for my kids that I pay them a regular amount every single month. Some lenders will put that down as a committed expense and that will reduce it. Also, other income that I just thought of is child benefit. Now, a lot of people say they haven't got any kids or they've only got one kid when they've got two and vice versa. When your child benefit's coming in on that bank statement, the lender will then use that to work out how many kids you've got, and then obviously you have dependents and it can be reduced. In fact, if your child is 14 or above, they won't actually use the child benefit, but they will put them down as a dependent. And that way, your actual affordability gets reduced, but your income doesn't increase. That's something to be aware of. So when you are this is what they're reviewing on your bank statement, so you need to be aware. Also, one little bonus tip is do not live in your overdraft. I know a lot of people just see it as free money. For the first month it is, but if you're constantly living there, you're never actually using it, are you? You're just living in it. And the other thing, they really don't like it because it makes them think that you do not know how to manage your own money. So keep those bank statements clean because you need to.